these Deriv bots, the one that you create with the quick strategies, have a lot of errors. So you can see I only won 4 contracts with this profit, and you lost a lot of contracts. Hello, welcome to this tutorial in which I show you how you can trade using a Deriv bot using this secret strategy. So this is a Deriv bot, and I'll be showing you how you can win only less contracts but still get a lot of profit. So if you do not have an account, use the link in the description. Just click on it and then create an account. You will have your dashboard there, but this is for all the accounts. So new accounts, you have a different dashboard, and then for new accounts, this will be your dashboard. You just need to select option trading and then choose Deriv bot. So here you will be on the Deriv bot. So here I'll provide the bot in the description, or you can just use the one on the Deriv website. So I just proceed to bot builder, and then this is the bot that I find here, but this does not have a martingale. So if I want a martingale, I can create one here. So I just create really fast, and then I just set it to size 2, then profit, stake, or whatever. So here I just edit it to 100, then profit to 200 there. So if I lose 100, it will stop, then ticks to 2. So the market that I need to choose is not here. So first I need to choose rise and fall. So the market that I need to choose is not here. So I just enter 2 ticks, and then I load the bot. So I edit the market there. So this is the bot. I have 2 ticks, then stake is $1. I can still tap here and then see the settings that I have entered. So this was the settings that I entered. So here, this is the initial stake. I can just enter the minimum stake, which is 0.35 if you do not have a lot of capital. So I just load it again, and then this is the bot. So the next thing I need to do, here we have the ticks. So I'll be editing those ticks, and then we have the contract type. I can choose rise or fall. So here I first need to choose this market, and then here I need to select this market so that I have these options. So these markets, when you enter 2 ticks, you will have a lot of profit. So here I just proceed to show you the amount of profit you can get from these markets. So that is what we will be utilizing together with the martingale. So martingale is where when you lose, you multiply the amount of stake when entering on the next trade. So that is how the bot will be doing. So for example here, let me choose rise and fall so that you can see, and then I just proceed to choose ticks, and I choose 2 ticks. So here when I choose 2 ticks, you can see the amount of profit that I'll be getting from this. So in case I lose, let's say that I lose $1, and then the next stake is $2, because we have a martingale here of 2. When we were setting the bot, remember that we chose a martingale of 2. That means that when the bot loses the initial stake, it will multiply the next with the 2. When it loses again, it multiplies by 2. So that way, when you have a high return like this one, you will still get the money. So you do not need to predict that market. You just need to press run, and then you will have a lot of returns. So here, as we have the bot, I set it to 2 ticks, because if you do not set to 2 ticks, you will not have this the highest return. Let's say that you set it to 1. You can see you have the least return. You set it to 2, you have the highest, and here you'll see it reduces, and here it increases. So with even, it will increase. So this is how you can create that bot. But these Deriv bots, the one that you create with the quick strategies, have a lot of errors. So I'll not proceed to use this bot. I just use my initial bot that I was using here. So this is the bot. I just provide it in the description. You can download it and trade with it. So here we have the stake. You just edit, and then here we have the ticks, here we have the market. Make sure that you choose step indices. So I have this one, and then the number of ticks is 2, as I said. And then what I need to do is just run the bot. Make sure you have just between this market is step index, and then run the bot. So I just run it, and then we can see what happens. So here I just first edit the step to 0.35, here to 0.35. Before we run the bot, we need first to choose one contract. We do not need the bot to be running on all contracts. So here I just choose rice, and then after running, we have that martingale, the multiplication on the next trade. When you lose, it multiplies. So I just run. That is one that will be saving us. So you need to start with the least stake because it will be multiplying. As you can see, the stake has just increased. And then the next one, you can see it here. And then the next one, when we lose again. But when we win, the profit is a lot, you can see, guys. So here, that stake still is not the least because it will keep multiplying. The only thing we need to do, we select that stake so that we are safe. We do not need to lose a lot of money here. So you can see you are still on a profit side. So we'll do, when we win the last one, we get out of that for small accounts. But if you have a large account, you can use let's say around $1 stake. That is enough for a large account. So that is it. You can stop right away. So you can see I only won 4 contracts with this profit, and you lost a lot of contracts. So still you are on a profit side. And that is how you can be profitable without even analyzing. So here you do not need those skills. And I just share this board if you need to use it to trade, but you can still create yours and trade, or you can just get wherever you can get them, or I will be sharing a lot of bots in the description. You just need to download and try them out. So that is it. If you have a question, ask it in the comment section. Like and subscribe for more content like this.